Porto's golden promise, the rise of a resilient economy. Porto's gleaming turn, crafting prosperity with the Midas touch in an age of uncertainty. Porto, the city where the timeless Douro River winds through, was nearing the brink of economic unrest. The streets, which were once bustling with activity, are now quieter. People tightened their belts as the cost of living soared, and the future seemed as uncertain as the sea fog that sometimes shrouded the city's bridges. Miguel, a local goldsmith, felt the city's anxiety deep in his bones. He saw the worry etched into the faces of his friends and neighbors as they spoke of their fears over cups of strong coffee. The currency they had trusted for so long was failing them. It was just paper, after all, vulnerable to the whims of far-off economies and decisions made in distant boardrooms. But Miguel remembered his dad's advice, who had taught him that gold was the steady hand in the tumultuous dance of markets. It was stable ground in a landscape of shifting sands. With this in mind, Miguel began to form a vision that could provide a lifeline to the community he loved. He called the people of Porto to gather, not to protest or lament but to build something new. He spoke of a gold-backed local economy, in which residents could rely on the inherent value of this precious metal to sustain their trade and livelihoods. Miguel's idea was a throwback to an older time, yet innovative in its simplicity. The community chest, as it became known, was a collection of gold coins provided by those who could afford it for use in local exchanges. The butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker, all could trade their wares and services, knowing that the gold they received held firm against the tides of economic turmoil. As this new economy took root, the streets of Porto hummed with renewal. The local economy blossomed as gold coins exchanged hands, fostering a sense of stability and self-reliance. Miguel's vision had created an economic safe harbor where the community could weather the storm together. Perhaps it wasn't a rejection of the outside world but an assertion of self-sufficiency. Porto's residents still used paper money for dealings beyond their borders, but within the embrace of their city walls, they had a system that was truly theirs, one that spoke of trust and longevity. The gold economy of Porto, born from the wisdom of the past and the necessity of the present, became a beacon to others. It stood as a testament to the power of community and the enduring strength of shared values. In an uncertain world, Porto found its anchor in the gold that flowed through its veins, a golden promise of hope and resilience. Revelations. What is it? A community's ingenious approach to economic resilience showcases the power of uniting traditional assets with modern exchange. Why is it important? This model underscores the importance of adaptability and shared responsibility, emphasizing that economic security can be communal rather than individual. How to get started? Foster local initiatives that encourage the use of stable value assets in everyday transactions, promoting a sustainable and inclusive economic framework. The point. True economic strength blooms through unity and innovation, drawing from the past to secure the future. The end.